All right, so we've just had a great question asked here in the community about pushing leads to the CRM and triggering a certain automation based on how those leads are tagged. So the great thing about White Label Suite, if you've got a current list or you can create a new one, these can be edited to include the tag and the source for that lead. So if I said, hey, this tag needs to have attempt one or cold outreach, or I'm naming it a certain industry that's part of this list as I send these leads over to my CRM. And then I can include the source, right? So the source would be um, the name of the list, for example, just so you know when you come back into your list, hey, these are where those leads are coming from. So the best thing to do, I'll give you an example here with HighLevel. Again, you're going to add the tag from White Label Suite. That way, when a new contact is created in HighLevel, you can set a trigger that says, hey, when a new contact's created and it's got this tag, I just pulled one here, uh, do this next step, which basically adds them to your automation that you want to trigger. So this could be an automation for your cold outreach emails. Maybe you've got a SMS campaign going, or whatever workflow that you want to add them to get that next step started for you automatically after adding those leads to your CRM. This is how you can do that.